I hated myself with everything in me. I truly hated who I was.
For 25 years, I lived with rejection, deep insecurities, and the inability to accept myself.
For 22 years, I battled depression and reached a point where I felt like I couldn't go on living.
Maybe deep inside you're longing for help, but it feels like no one hears you. Every day you put on this mask, smile, and say everything is fine. But when no one is watching, inside there is pain and deep fear and tears. God sees your pain. He knows every single wound within your heart. And He is the only one who has the answer you need. On August 16th at 1 p.m. UK time, Pastor Victoria Muntian will host a TV Crusade featuring prayer for the healing of the soul.
God fills your heart with His love, gives you renewed hope for tomorrow, and fills your future with meaning, purpose, and a reason to keep going.
This is a prayer against depression, resentment, insecurities, rejection, fear, loneliness, and soul wounds.
Holy Spirit, please comfort. Touch with your healing power. Touch every soul.
The desire to live came back. I found a reason to keep going, and I began to dream again. God set me free from years of depression. I can't even begin to describe in words the joy and happiness I feel now.
I felt such a lightness inside. I truly felt free on the inside.
Join the TV Crusade online from any location in the world, via Zoom app. Register for the prayer on the official website www.muntian.net.